This is an overview of the public and sharp views in NFL on the BetQL website. So to access the public ticket data, you're going to, from the navigation, under the NFL submenu, select Public Betting. And that's going to take you to this page where you will see all of the week's games. And they are sorted by the teams that are commanding the largest percentage of the tickets being written. And you can see that I'm currently looking at the spread view. So what we're seeing here is that looking at this first game, Baltimore versus Miami, on the spread, Baltimore -5, 67% of the tickets are being written at the sportsbook on that side currently. Now we can expand this if you click on Add Remove Stats. And this is a feature that's part of our Sharp plan, but you can actually come in here and see how many tickets these percentages are based off of. So I've now added this column, as you can see, the number of tickets on the spread. So as I'm recording this, we're still over a week away from week 1 of the regular season, so the ticket counts are a bit low right now, but you can see that this 67% is based on 191 tickets written on the Ravens, 33% on the Dolphins, and that is based on 95 tickets coming in on that side. Next, we're going to extend what we saw on the public betting view by clicking on Sharp Picks. And once we've done that, we see 2 columns, again, the spread and Pro Edge. So Pro Edge represents the differential in the percentage of tickets being written and the percentage of total money being bet on that side. So let's go ahead and add a couple more columns here so we can have a clearer understanding of what's going on here. I'm going to add public ticket percentage, public money, and I'll go ahead and add in this same column that we looked at in the last view, total number of public tickets on the spread. Okay, so let me just rearrange these columns so it's a little easier to look at. So let's look at the Pro Edge column here, again in this first game of Baltimore versus Miami. The Pro Edge differential is 16%. If you move to the right to the next columns, money percent and ticket percent, you'll see that 83% of the money is being wagered in this contest on Baltimore. And when you compare that to the 67% of tickets that are coming in on Baltimore, the differential is 16%. And that's where that Pro Edge number comes from. So a positive number means that more money is being wagered than tickets are being written. That would be a sharp indicator, an indication that large bets are coming in on that side, perhaps professional money, and that would be the side you would want to consider looking into in more depth. Again, this column, the number of tickets, which we had in the last view as well, is just kind of helpful to see. If the percentages are, let's say, 95% versus 5%, but that is based on only 20 tickets, you'll want to wait until more tickets come in before really drawing any firm conclusions off of that. So that is an overview of the public and sharp ticket data that we provide as part of the BetQL web plan.